Hey there, streaming enthusiasts! Are you tired of your entertainment being interrupted by constant freezing and buffering on your Amazon Fire TV stick? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive guide on Amazon Fire TV Stick, how to fix freezing and buffering issues. These tips will help you enjoy seamless streaming, allowing you to watch your favorite shows and movies without any pesky interruption. Step 1. Check your internet connection. The most common cause of freezing and buffering on your Fire TV stick is a weak or unstable internet connection. Start by testing your connection speed using a tool like speedtest.net. Aim for a minimum download speed of 5 megabits per second for standard definition and at least 15 megabits per second for high definition content. If your speed is lacking, consider upgrading your internet plan or repositioning your router for better signal strength. Reducing the number of devices connected to your network can also free up bandwidth for streaming. Step 2. Restart your Fire TV stick. A simpler restart can work wonders in resolving many technical issues. To restart your Fire TV stick, press and hold the select and play pause buttons simultaneously for about 5 seconds until the device reboots. This can help clear cache and temporary data that might be causing the problem. Alternatively, navigate to the settings menu, select My Fire TV, then choose Restart. Step 3. Clear cache and data. Over time, your Fire TV stick accumulates data that can clog up its performance. To clear cache and data, go to Settings, select Applications, and choose Manage Installed Applications. From here, select the application that's causing trouble and click Clear Cache and Clear Data. Be cautious, as clearing data might delete personal app settings or logins. Step 4. Update software and apps. Keeping your Fire TV stick software and apps up to date is crucial for optimal performance. To check for updates, head to Settings, then My Fire TV, and select About. Click Check for Updates to ensure your device has the latest firmware. Similarly, go to the App Store and update any apps that have available updates. Regular updates can fix bugs and improve overall functionality. Step 5. Consider using a wired connection. If buffering persists despite addressing your Wi-Fi, try using an Ethernet cable for a more stable connection. Many Fire TV stick models support Ethernet connections via an optional adapter. Go to Settings, select Network, and choose Wired to complete the setup. A wired connection can offer more stability, especially in households with high internet. Step 6. Factory reset as a last resort. If all else fails and the freezing and buffering issues persist, consider a factory reset. Be mindful that this will erase all data and custom settings, so it's a last resort option. Navigate to Settings, My Fire TV, and choose Reset to Factory Default. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process and restore your device to its original settings. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to tackling those frustrating freezing and buffering issues on your Amazon Fire TV stick. From checking your internet connection to considering a factory reset, these steps will help you enjoy smoother streaming sessions. Remember, maintaining your Fire TV stick with regular updates and cache clearing is key to preventing future problems. So get ready to sit back, relax, and enjoy buffer-free viewing of your favorite content. Happy streaming.